Hi everyone, today we making a frog rain detector. It predict rain like how real frogs in Kerala croak after it rains. Will use ESP32 DHT11 Sensor, OLED Display, a speaker and LED alert to make it work. For this project we need ESP32, the brain of the project, DHT11 Sensor, measure temperature and humidity, OLED display, show readings and weather, speaker to play croak sound, LED alerts when rain is like, jammer wires and breadboard for connections. These are the main parts of this project. This is the circuit diagram. Please check the connections and give it correctly. This project has cool features. 1. Measure temperature and humidity in real time. 2. Trend analyze, check if temperature is dropping or humidity rising. 3. Calculate rain probability from 0 to 100%. 4. Play realistic frog croak sound based on weather. 5. LED alert light up for only weather, rain, climate. 6. OLED display show all readings clearly. The project working and process is the DHT11 sensor reading temperature and humidity every 2 seconds. The ESP32 smooths data using a moving average and analyze trendings. If humidity rise and temperature low, rain is likely, weather, climate. Then it's choose a frog croak sound pattern like this table showing. Now let's see the detector in action. As humidity rise, rain probability increase when frog croak sound become fast and higher pitched, just like real frog. The LED turn on when rain is very likely, giving a clear warning. These projects can help farmers and gardens. Smart projects, smart home to close window automatically. Students learn IoT and how nature predicts weathers and more other projects more useful. It's so fun and so crazy project, making a modern frog. That it's our frog rain detector combines nature and technology in one of fun projects. If you like this video, please like my video and share with your friends. Please subscribe. Don't miss it that. Thank you for watching video.